I have a new foundation. It is not new on the market, but it's new to me, and it is NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. The shade I get is Medium Deep 4 MACOA. I am going to try this foundation. Let's hope it works. I was in store and I checked it in store. It looks completely different in the packaging than when I tried it in store. So this is the Soft Matte Foundation. I am very oily. I'm an oily skin person, so I have to wear matte. This is Soft Matte. It says the new take on matte, comfortable 16-hour wear, full natural looking coverage, true color, oxidation resistant, transfer proof, shine proof for normal, combination, and oily skin types. Dermatologist tested. So I am trying NARS for the first time. I've always wanted to try NARS. I'm ticking off the little things off my wish list. I mean, they've been there for a long time. Little by little, they're coming through. They're coming through. And now I shake it. Let's see how it works. This is, it doesn't look like anything like this on the bottle, but we will see. It says soft matte. Let's see if I got my shade. In the store again, it did look good on my skin because I have yellow in my undertone. So, and the others were very, very red and too dark. So I don't know. This was the closest one that I see that was better for me. All the others, I mean, they were too deep, lots of red. Or the next shade down from this was too light. So let us see. And this has golden in it. It says it's medium deep with warm and also golden and also olive undertone. So let us see. Let us see this. This is the first coat. Under my eyes don't have yet, but this is what it looks like. Is this my winter color? Because in the summertime, I'm outside more, so I'll get darker. But this is what this is looking like. We're trying this, like I say, in the store, it looks like it's the closest one. I'm going to put some more. Just because we're doing this test, let me do one side at a time. I can see the yellow in it. This brush is a Bare Minerals brush. It's a really nice brush. I'm just trying to get enough there so we can see the first impression try on. It looks light, and then when I look like this on my skin, it looks nice. And on a monitor, it looks really light. But then when I look here, it looks good. Okay, I'll put some under my eyes. Even when I went online before, after I came back, I went online and I went to a different site, and then I'm gonna pass the brush over my eye. And then I went in and checked to see what color I would pick. I ended up picking the same color. And I had to come and check. I was like, I picked the same thing. So with the color range, I think this has only 30 shades. So I don't know if it's because it's the color shade range that I keep picking this one. But this is what it's looking like right now. This is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. If you look at my neck, you can see, it's all one thing. It looks fine here. On the monitor, it's starting to look better. It was looking a little white a little while ago. Yeah, but this is this. This is NARS. I have a NARS liquid foundation. Yeah. I'm going to take the sponge and I'm going to just damp over it. I have a damp sponge. I did not put a lot under my eyes, just a little bit. This is after I have used the sponge. But this is what it looks like. In person, it looks really nice. In the summertime, will I be able to wear it? I don't know. But we will see. Let me know what you think in the comments. Always remember you're first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. If you're suffering with any addiction, mental illness, any other ailment, please reach out to someone and get help. Do not harm yourself or another. Please, 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 I'm asking. Reach out and ask for help. Let me know in the comments what you think about the NARS Soft Matte. This is the shade name and number. NARS. It's looking good. It's very light. I have to look to know that I have something on. Take a look. If you look, it just looks really nice on the skin. Really, really nice. Thank you all again for watching. Please subscribe.